Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a rainbow with torchlight. First, you'll need a few simple items: a clear glass filled with water, a bright flashlight, and a white surface like a wall or a piece of paper. Make sure your room is as dark as possible. This easy method uses the principles of light to create a beautiful spectrum of colors right in your home. It's a fun and quick experiment for anyone to try. The magic behind this rainbow lies in how light behaves. White light from your flashlight is actually composed of all the colors of the spectrum. When this light passes through the water acts as a natural prism. It bends or refracts each color of light at a slightly different angle, causing them to spread out and become visible as a beautiful rainbow. To create your rainbow, position the glass of water on a stable surface, about 1 foot from your white wall. Hold your flashlight and shine its beam directly through the glass of water, aiming towards the wall. Slowly adjust the angle of the flashlight and the distance of the glass until you see a vibrant, colorful arc appear on your white surface. It might take a few seconds to find the perfect spot. For the best results, use a flashlight with a strong, focused beam. The brighter the light, the more vivid your rainbow will be. You can also try adjusting the amount of water in your glass or even using different shaped clear containers to see how it changes the rainbow's size and intensity. This simple experiment is a wonderful way to explore the fascinating world of light and color.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.